take a moment for yourself. Breathe deeply and let the sound of the river guide you to stillness. This is your time to pause, to reconnect, and just be. Let's begin. I am here right now in this moment of peace. The sound of the river, the song of the birds, they remind me to slow down, to breathe deeply, to return to myself. I am safe, I am grounded, I am calm. With each breath, I let go of stress, I let go of noise, I let go of the need to rush. Nature doesn't hurry, and yet everything flows. Just like this water, I move with ease. I trust the rhythm of life, and I surrender to the present. I am enough just as I am. The trees stand tall without effort. The river flows without control. The birds sing without fear. And so can I. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to fix anything. I just need to be still, quiet, alive. This moment is mine. And I choose peace, I choose stillness, I choose now. Let this sound remind me, calm is always within reach. And whenever I forget, I can come back here. You can too. Subscribe for more calm and bring this peace with you wherever you go.